So now you know what information security is. But why should you even care? I mean, it's just some passwords and emails, right? You are actually wrong. Imagine this. You are out of a coffee shop, sipping on your latte, and using the free Wi-Fi to do a little online shopping. You are having a great time. But what if I told you someone in the same coffee shop is snooping on your connection? Just waiting to snatch up your credit card info. Scary, huh? That's why information security is so important. It's not just about avoiding hackers and cyber criminals. It's about protecting your entire digital life. Hey, want to protect your data from cyber threats? My information security course is perfect for beginners and pros. Learn key skills and boost your security. Click the link or scan the QR code to enroll now. Whether it's your personal emails, work documents, or even just your Netflix password, keeping your information secure is a must. And the consequences of not doing it? Well, let's just say they can be pretty messy. Identity theft, stolen money, and even embarrassing data leaks. But the good news? You are here now. And by the end of this course, you will know exactly how to keep your stuff safe. Let's move on to the next part, understanding the types of threat out there. Because trust me, there are quite a few. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.